I'm Mutebi Fred, the District Inspector of Schools, Bukomansimbi District. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of Education and Sports in partnership with the River Flow International for giving us the science kits. Sincerely, we received 20 science kits, and these were given to 20 schools, and we have been able to have the 40 teachers, that is 2 teachers from each school, to come and train. I want to thank River Flow International for the facilitation and for the facilitators. Sincerely, they selected good facilitators who were able to deliver the message. I want to say that we have been able to receive all the necessary materials that we need to teach science, and possibly, if all factors remain constant, science is going to be improved in our district. Thank you so much.